Most churches don't have a camera problem. They have a clarity problem. Something happens, and later everyone realizes the system recorded it, but didn't actually help in the moment. That usually comes down to being vague about what cameras can do and where they should be placed. So let's get very specific. Churches are open by design. Multiple entrances, large gathering spaces, unfamiliar faces, and a very short window where a lot of people arrive at once. The goal isn't to harden the building. The goal is awareness that gives people time to respond without changing the tone of the space. That starts at primary entry points. Cameras by themselves don't stop anything. Recording video doesn't prevent incidents. What happens is when cameras can recognize meaningful risk and surface it to a real person. At main entrances, modern AI cameras can do facial recognition when legally permitted and properly configured. Faces are analyzed at the door and compared against approved databases or watch lists. If there's a potential match, the system doesn't act on its own. It alerts a person who can decide what to do next. That only works if someone is actually monitoring alerts. Software supports people, it doesn't replace them. Platforms like Axon One are designed around that idea. Instead of just storing footage, the system helps security teams understand what's happening in real time. It can flag abnormal movement, people lingering in restricted areas, or individuals who fall or collapse in hallways. The value isn't automation for its own sake. It's reducing the time between an event and someone noticing it. Inside the building, gathering spaces still matter. Lobbies, narthex areas, fellowship halls, and main corridors are where situations develop. Wide-angle cameras make sense here, especially when paired with analytics that understand normal traffic versus something that doesn't belong. These cameras provide context. They show what led up to a situation, not just the moment it occurred. Classrooms are another area where clarity matters. In real church environments, classrooms are exactly where cameras can be effective when deployed correctly. A centrally mounted 360-degree camera with an integrated microphone gives full room context. This isn't about monitoring behavior, it's about accountability. When questions arise later, the system replaces assumption with fact. It protects children, volunteers, and the church by documenting what actually happened. These cameras should be visible, properly mounted, and access to footage should be tightly controlled. Bathrooms themselves remain off limits. No cameras inside, ever. But cameras positioned outside bathroom entrances are critical transition points. This is where it's important to be precise about capabilities. These systems are not guessing based on clothing changes. When properly configured, modern AI cameras can detect visible weapons, including firearms, as someone exits a restroom or other enclosed space. If a gun becomes visible, the system can alert security staff immediately. It doesn't accuse, it doesn't intervene. It provides awareness and time. Time to respond, time to intervene appropriately, and time to protect people without creating panic. One of the biggest misconceptions is thinking software alone solves security problems. It doesn't. Intelligent platforms depend on correct camera placement, proper lighting, realistic angles, and clear lines of sight. The system can only detect what it can clearly see. Environment and configuration always come first. When camera placement and intelligent analytics are aligned, security stops being reactive. You're not scrubbing footage after the fact, hoping you find answers. You already have context and alerts when things are unfolding. If your church is evaluating how to improve safety without changing the heart of the space, that's exactly what we help with. Visit 210solutions.com, scroll down, fill out the contact form.